Morning, students, I have already explained the chapter 2. Today I am solving the exercise of this chapter. Okay, the chapter 2, nutrition in animals. I have already explained this chapter, so today the exercise is there. Here, fill in the blanks. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First is the main steps of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Clear? Second is the largest gland in the human body is, what is the largest gland of the human body? It is liver. Next, the stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on the food. Stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on food. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths. These outgrowths are called villi. Clear? Next is amoeba digest its food in the food vacuole. These are the fill in the blanks. All of you clear? I am explain again. The main steps of nutrition in human are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. The largest gland in the human body is, liver. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on food. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths are called villi. Amoeba digests its food in the food vacuole. Clear? Now come to question number 2. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. It is true or false. स्टूडेंट्स एक चीज़ क्लियर करिएगा कि जैसे मैंने इसमें ट्रू और फॉल्स आपकी बुक में टी और एफ दोनों दिए हुए हैं, लेकिन आपको नहीं लिखना है, आपको केवल एक ही वर्ड लिखना है. इफ़ द स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू यू राइट टी, इफ़ द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स यू राइट एफ. अगर आपका स्टेटमेंट सही है तब आप उसे टी लिखेंगे और अगर आपका स्टेटमेंट गलत है तो आप उसको एफ लिखेंगे. क्लियर? इससे पहले चैप्टर में मैंने आप लोगों का वर्क देखा है, वो बिल्कुल सही नहीं है. आपने टी और एफ दोनों लिख दिया है, जबकि मैंने पहले भी अपने वीडियो में ये चीज़ आपको क्लियर की थी कि आप केवल ब्रैकेट बनाइए और सारे ब्रैकेट एक साइड में लगाइए, बिल्कुल एंड में लगाइए, जहाँ पेपर का एंड होता है उस टाइप से लगाइए और उसमें वही लिखिए. अगर स्टेटमेंट टी है तो ट्रू है तो टी लिखिए और फॉल्स है तो एफ लिखिए. ठीक है? अब इस बात का ध्यान रखिएगा इस चैप्टर में, और सारे ब्रैकेट आपको एकदम लास्ट में लगाने हैं. आप लोग यहाँ लगा देते हैं बीच बीच में, दिस इज रॉन्ग. क्लियर? नाउ कम टू ट्रू और फॉल्स. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. It is false. You know why it is false? Because digestion of starch starts from the mouth. So it is false. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Our tongue helps us to mixing food with saliva. So it is true. The gallbladder temporarily store bile. It is correct. It means T, true. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. All of you know about the ruminants, so it is true. Clear? All true and false, all of you clear? Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. It is false because the digestion of starch starts in the mouth or buccal cavity. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. It is true. The gallbladder temporarily store bile. It is also true. The ruminant bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. It is true. Clear? Now come to question number 3. Take the correct answer. In each of the following, there are 4 statements in which only one is correct. The statement is fat is completely digested in the. There are the 4 options. One option is correct. Your statement is fat is completely digested in the stomach or mouth or small intestine or large intestine. There are 4 options. The third option, small intestine, is correct. You know, fat is completely digested in the small intestine. Clear? Next is water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the. There are also 4 options. First is stomach, second is food pipe, third one is small intestine, and fourth is large intestine. So we have read this chapter. In this chapter we have read water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the large intestine. So large intestine is correct. All of you clear the exercise? Okay, students. Thank you.